Good morning, boys and girls. So here's a little video to help you do your learning packet online so you don't have to print it. So I'm going to go to the Compton website. So I'm going to type compton.k12.ca.us and click enter. And then I am going to scroll through the bottom to students. And hopefully you know this because we've done it quite a bit of times. So I'm going to go to students, left click students, then right away it takes me to class link, left click class link, sorry. It's going to open up to your page. It might ask you for your password and username, so hopefully you remember those, and we wrote them on the papers for parent conferences. So here you can go to iReady, you can go to 9 Dots, my SBAC coach, Flipgrid. I'm going to go right now to Google Classroom. And from Google Classroom, you have all your classes. Click on the one for Miss Asquez, Awesome Scholars. Then you're going to come here to classwork. And it should be the very first assignment because it's the last thing I saw. Learning packet, left click. I'm going to open the packet here, left click again. And then I'm going to come to the right hand is these 3 little dots that say more action, left click, open in a new window. When it opens in the new window, you'll notice a little tab here in the center that says open with. So open with, and you're going to click the first one that says Doc Hub. And it might take a minute. It might ask you to open it. If you have different accounts, it might ask you to pick an account. Make sure you pick your Compton USD account. So I had already opened it before because I was playing with it, so I already have it open. So I'm going to click existing because I already have it saved. If it's your first time, it would open, and then it would ask you to pick a document. You would pick one from Google Drive because this is in your Google Drive and it's the Google, learning packet. So from here, you have a few tools you could use. The printing. I'm going to start with add text. So that's if you want to write something. So let's say the question is a short response, or you have to write something. So I've already played with it. So right here, let's say I wanted to add my name. I'm going to left click, and then I will just start typing. So I played with a little bit before. That's why you see my name already there. Miss typing with one hand. Miss Asque. And then when you're done using the text box, you could just, and here, let's say I want to make it bigger, I could do that. And I'm going to unclick the toolbox. You also have a freehand, so let's say I want to circle, and I'll show you that in a second, and highlight and make comments. If you want to erase something you wrote, those are the main things that you want to use with this document. So let me scroll down some more. So let's say I get to the first story. So here for dates, when you complete the assignments, you can also use the add a text box and then just put the date that you completed the assignment. So I'm going to go to the first lesson, session 1. So let's say I wanted to highlight something. And let's say something was really important here. So I'm going to go here with a highlight. And then I will have to left press and hold it. And let's see if I can do it with one hand. And let's say that's what I want. Highlight it. And I can change colors here if I wanted to. So you can just click, I'm going to stay with the yellow. Let me try it one more time because I didn't do it really well with my right hand. So I'm going to click what I want highlighted, then it will highlight it for you. Okay, so that's to highlight the story. Then let's see, I have to answer a multiple choice question. And go in a little bit. So let's say here says, sorry, I keep moving my phone all over the place. So let's say here, I want to circle an answer. So I'm going to come up here. I'm going to select the freehand. And then I can draw. And then here you can change the size of your line if you want it. If you want to make it bigger, smaller, like the width of it. So I'm going to come here and say, you know what? I want to circle the, let's say I think the answer is A. So I'm going to circle A. That was really bad. Okay, but hopefully you get the gist of it. And over here at the end, when you can leave your file there, close it. When you sign back in, it will ask you to open. At the very end of the break of this break and you're done, you would click download and export. I wouldn't do it now until the packet's finished. And then here it would be save it on your Google Drive. And then once it's in your Google Drive, you can turn it into Google Classroom. But don't worry about turning it in right now. Just work on it, keep it saved there every day. Try to do a little bit if you can. I know it's hard with everyone in your family trying to use the internet and maybe sharing computers or maybe not even having a computer. So just try your best. Do not stress. If nothing else, please read if you're not able to do this packet. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. I didn't want to make a really long video, but it is. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll try to post more of these videos to help you out with things, okay? And so let me know any questions you have, and I will try my best, okay? See you guys soon. Stay safe.